You are going to love the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. Escape the mundane